Welcome back, friends. It looks like our videos. Square, circle, heart, triangle, moon, and a star. The cat came back. Meow, meow.
Blue semicircle, place it there. Good job.
Like this.
You are the best. Next shape. Next shape.
Three.
Three. What shape?
Circle.
Circles. Find three circles and color is brown, right? Or beige. So put next to it. Good job.
Like this, Mommy?
Wow, you're so smart. Yes. That's not hard game for you.
Like 1, 2, 3?
Yep.
It's like the hairstyle.
That's funny. What shape is next one?
2.
Two what? Rec
Tangle.
and color.
Orange.
Yay!
2. White here. 3. 4.
Where's another one hiding?
5. What?
We have Mila's three favorite doggies here. Woof, woof, woof. And you know what, Mila? We want to get a present. Can you help them to get a present? And here is the clue, Mila. Look, first doggy doesn't want green rectangle. He wants
Circle.
red circle. Find for him red circle. I want a red circle. Good job. So let's see second one. What's his name?
Wally.
Huh?
Wally.
Lolly?
Wally. Wally.
Ah, Wally. Okay. Purple square.
No.
Do you think he wants blue triangle?
No.
What does he want?
Green square.
Rectangle. Rectangle. Find for him, please. Green one, Mila.
No, I want to do.
He wants green one. I want green one.
I can't find it.
I'm so happy now. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Do you want brown triangle? No. Do you want blue triangle? No. What do you want then? What is it, doggy? Ta-da! Here is the game. Mila, look. Small house and big house, right? So you have to place the shape in the right house. So in a small house, it's going small shape. In a big house, going big shape or tall one. So in a small house, it's going short circle.
Where? In a little house?
Yes, right here. And the big house going tall circle, right? Good job. Triangle. So in a small house, what kind of triangle lives there, Mila?
Little.
Little small one. Where is the small triangle? Let's see, where is the small one? Triangle. Mila, we need a triangle. Yes, that's a small triangle, Mila. Yeah, so he lives right here. Biggest triangle lives in a big house. Here it should be short rectangle. Short one. Yes, that's a short one. He lives in a small house, right? And in a big house live long rectangle. Where is long rectangle, Mila? Long one. That's right, that's a long one. Oi! I think his apartment is right here. Good job, give me 5. Pew! You did it! You have to place these objects right here and follow the arrow sign, okay? So first is triangle, then where arrow goes to? What is it?
Square.
Yeah. Then arrow pointing to rectangle. Then another one.
And circles.
Oh, 2 circles. Good job. Pew.
Please like our videos. Bye guys.